We suspended your account Instagram appeal. Hello everyone, in this video I'm gonna show you the process of what you can do if your account has been suspended on Instagram. Firstly, you have to check for your policy violations. Reflect on whether your account might have violated Instagram's community guidelines or terms of service. Open Instagram app, and if your account is suspended, then you will see a suspended menu. On that menu, tap on Learn More or Appeal. If you don't see that option, then go to your web browser and go to this address help.instagram.com. Now go to the search bar on the top and search for Suspended Account Recovery. After that, search for it and you will see an interface like this. You will see different questions. Scroll down. Go to this option, Why your Instagram account is disabled. Tap on this option. After that, a page like this will open. You can even read the description if you want. The description might help you. However, if you want to submit an appeal, scroll down and tap on No on Was this helpful. After that, select any one of these options. Now a messaging box will appear. On that messaging box, you can appeal for suspended account recovery. So that is it for this video. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.